Good morning, Jamaica. Happy Friday. We just got a couple minutes of rain and hear the birds. The rooster as well. So many parrots is in the tree right now. Above me over there. They just sound so beautiful. Life in a tropical rainforest in the Jamaican hillside. They are right there above me. So many parrots. They're taking off. They're just playing with each other. It's so beautiful. The raindrop is just drawing on me all over me, and we just got a surge of rain. That is the true beauty of living in the hills of Jamaica. Waking up to the birds, the parrots in the morning, or some people call them parakeets. One is taking off there. So many. It's just amazing to live in nature and to experience this one-on-one. And so many persons ask me that, is that real bird in the videos? Yes guys, I live in the lush and beautiful tropical rainforest up in the hills. Yes, up in the hills of St. Anne, and we have so many birds, and the lush vegetation contribute, and the springs also contribute to the birds just nesting because they found their resting place. And it's peaceful here. So I'm gonna make breakfast on the outside under the beautiful Caribbean weather. And this is our rainforest. When you hear me say rainforest, believe me, because the rain will just tear here and then stop and then tear. And when I go into the town, no rain. So we're gonna make breakfast outside in the lush rainforest with the birds.
Happy Friday. Along with him.
I have my bottle and I'm going to catch some water at the local spring from nature, and this spring is located in my community in the hills of St. Anne. A very beautiful, cool, crisp spring water from the mountain. And I'm going to say springs because we have so many bursting in this tropical nature out of the ground, whether it be big river to small springs. We have it here. I'm going to head into the spring and I'm going to take you guys with me. And this spring has been a lifesaver because so many times we don't have any running water in the pipe, and this is the only water I drink, of course, because it's the best water. There's nothing that tastes better than this. So I'm going to head down there, and the birds love the spring too, you know. So it's not me one, because they go down there and they bathe and they enjoy themselves, and it's just tropical. We're heading back home now with our water. A bird is just chipping in the tree right there. Birds are everywhere. Lush, tropical. A true tropical rainforest. So many of them. Wow. One is up there, one is behind me. A doctor bird is eating from the tropical plant here. So the doctor bird come and drink from these type of flowers here. Tropical flowers. I'm gonna head over by German now. He came by this morning and eat pasta with me. I'm gonna head over and I'm gonna feed the puppy because she's a bit sick. So I'm gonna throw her food out of my black pot and let she have a meal. And also we're gonna check in on German. And for you guys that is asking, just cross this road where live. So we're over this in this side. Two communities joining in one. So I'm gonna head up there right now. We're going to check in on Father Jer.